Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDT from Revolut to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your portfolio or just transferring funds, let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Revolut account with some USDT in it, and a Coinbase wallet app installed on your device. If you're missing any of that, take a quick moment to sort it out. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Alright, let's break it down. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in securely. Head over to the Crypto or Assets section and locate your USDT balance. This is where all your digital goodies are stored. Step 2. Once you're in the USDT section, tap on it and select the Send or Transfer option. You'll see a screen prompting you for details. Don't rush this part. Step 3. Now, switch to your Coinbase wallet app. Go to the wallet that holds your USDT, tap on it, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 4. Back in Revolut, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the exact amount of USDT you want to send, and review any transaction fees that might pop up. They can vary based on network conditions in 2025. Step 5. Take a deep breath and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation screen. Make sure everything looks good before proceeding. The transfer should process quickly, but it might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on blockchain congestion. A quick word of caution: crypto isn't risk-free. Always use strong security practices, like two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you send USDT from Revolut to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your crypto adventures.